Measuring for cabinet doors. To ensure the cabinet doors are manufactured to the correct specifications, provide measurements based on existing door size or cabinet manufacturer specs. Installing the cabinet doors. If necessary, remove the hinges and doors from the existing cabinet. Remove the cabinet doors from the shipping packaging. Measure and mark the hinge plate location on the cabinet. Using appropriate fasteners, install the hinge plates to the cabinet at the marked locations. Insert the hinge into the hinge holes on the cabinet doors. Attach the hinge arms to the hinge plates on the cabinet and close the doors to check alignment. If adjustment is needed, use a Phillips head screwdriver to adjust the position of the doors by rotating the adjustment screws on the hinges as shown. Thank you for taking the time to watch our cabinet door measuring and installation guide. If you have any questions or experience any difficulties during the installation process, our customer service team is available to guide you through this process and answer any questions you may have.